Mesere, Mesere N&D. Welcome to AKINET-Electricity Market Sustainability Liquidity Forum and Fund. Welcome to the Akwa Ibom Nigeria Energy Transition, Sustainability Electric Power, Market Liquidity Forum and Fund. AKINET Sustainability Electricity Market Liquidity Forum and Fund seeks to attract, aggregate, mobilize, and deploy long-term sustainability investment capital flows into electricity generation, distribution, and trading businesses in Akwa Ibom State Nigeria. AKINET Sustainability Electricity Market Liquidity Forum and Fund is positioned as the premier global destination gatherings in sub-Saharan Africa for electricity industry players and investment capital providers to meet, greet, structure, and execute transactions funding to get sustainability energy infrastructure deals done in Akwa Ibom State Nigeria. AKINET Forum and Fund value propositions are constituted and embedded in two main implementation tools: Akwa Ibom Nigeria Energy Transition Sustainability, Electric Power State Investment Promotion, Marketing and Intervention Agency, and Akwa Ibom Nigeria Energy Transition Sustainability, Electricity Growth Opportunities Fund. The AKINET agency organizes global capital investment campaign roadshows to sovereign wealth funds, development financial institutions, private market credit, equity and venture funds, corporate and institutional pension funds, commercial and investment banks, donors, and charitable. The AKINET fund constituents are long-term funding liquidity instruments, typically long tenure, sustainability blended loans, bonds, debentures, projects finance, structured trade finance, guarantees, quasi-equity and equities, as well as active technical advisory in electricity market economic regulations and projects pipeline developments. AKINET Forum and Fund will target multiples of funding inflows of €1 billion annually to mobilize, engage, and deploy sustained long-term liquidity surge to provide and support the emerging electricity markets value chain in Akwa Ibom State Nigeria. The AKINET Forum and Fund will also provide the technical assistance founding stimulus to catalyze an effective, efficient, modern, transformational, and globally competitive electricity markets, economic regulatory framework for market design, rulemaking, orders, protocols, procedures, tariff settings, performance standards. AKINET Forum and Fund will also advance the comparative advantage of Akwa Ibom State in natural gas production, inland and coastal waters ecosystem, and solar photovoltaic radiation resources to accelerate thermal power generation plants, small hydropower plants, and solar generation grids respectively in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. AKINET Forum and Fund will constitute dedicated platform for attracting technical partnership, collaboration, alliance as either affiliates or subsidiaries of leading electricity utilities with vast renewable energy transition portfolio and operation of extensive distribution network in the EMEA economic bloc of Europe, Middle East, Asia, India. Towards calibrating for quantifiable outcomes and results, AKINET Forum and Fund will constitute the platform for structuring actionable memorandum of commitments and operational investing interests with Enel in Italy, EDF, Electricité de France in France, EON in Germany, RWE in Germany, Iberdrola in Spain, National Grid in UK, Vattenfall Sweden, Statkraft Norway, Ørsted in Denmark, Adani Electricity Mumbai, Power Grid Corporation of India, HTPC, Tata Power, all in India. And in Middle East target utilities are Saudi Electricity Company, ACWA Power Saudi Arabia, Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, Abu Dhabi National Energy Company, Qatar General Electricity and Water Corporation. AKINET Forum and Fund capital raising roadshow campaign outreaches to funders with specific capital investing presentations will be directed to Africa Finance Corporation, Africa Development Bank, Africa Export and Import Bank, Nigeria Sovereign Investment Authority, Nigeria Ministry of Finance Incorporated in Africa. The primary target institutional funders in Europe are European Investment Bank, Norges Bank Investment Management, European Bank for Development and Reconstruction, European Development Financial Institutions, and members of the European Fund and Asset Management Association, Pensions Europe, Invest Europe, and European Banking Federation. Some prominent target Middle East institutional funds of interest are Saudi Public Investment Fund, Kuwait Investment Authority, Qatar Investment Authority, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Dubai International Capital, Lunat Capital Abu Dhabi, and Altera Investors. Akwa Ibom State Nigeria is an attractive, compelling destination for sustained financial, investment, and strategic resources inflows to the nascent sustainability electricity markets. Blessed with conservative financial sustainability creditworthiness, in addition to abundant natural gas feedstock, inland and coastal waters, and sunshine solar radiation, the state has the fiscal space and infrastructure inputs as low-cost integrated electricity utilities to support and back profitable financiers, electricity market value chain of global impact funders in Akwa Ibom electricity markets. Please contact Mr. Enatan Sanusi, Managing Director and CEO of Climate Friendly's Capital Management Company Limited, on +234 80 884 59605. Email climatefriendliescapital@gmi.com for the very best financial advisory, investment capital, assets management, technical assistance, sustainability services. Thank you.